So the valve cover gasket is like rock. There is no way to get this away. So I think this is original or something. So we have the gasket remover spray. I did chip all the gasket what is basically did come off, but you don't want to use a knife or anything sharp and take the gasket away. That is pretty interesting. You need to carefully take the surface away, but as you can see, there is rust under the gasket. But this is like now it's getting soft, but it's been like 30 minutes. But this says like it's 10 minutes. But the gasket is so thick that it's softening the surface, but you need to get this stuff under the gasket. But it's like rusted in the valve cover. That is crazy. So I'm taking the surface away with the knife and then spray this again. So here is the battery tray cleaned, and then we are using the zinc paint. And over there we have run number 4, I think. That gasket is like, I think it's original from 98. It's like wood. But yeah, zinc paint, then flipped this over, zinc paint, then I basically just paint this maybe with leftover matte white, because why not? And I'm fixing the leak, so it doesn't really need to be perfect. So it's not leaking on the battery tray anymore, on the battery or on the battery tray. So there was electric tape here, but I did use a heat shrinking tube. I think it's basically a little bit better, because the tape is always peeling off when it's inside the engine and everything. So that is pretty solid piece right now. And there is no cover or anything. This is the under the bumper part here. Valve cover is changed. It's filled with water. And tomorrow I put the cleaner in and use the car for 10 minutes. This is painted matte white. It has the zinc paint and everything. I did pull these cables a little bit here, so maybe I can get a little bit more room. I did Dremel out this hole here, but I did end up breaking the plastic. And this is the new stereo cables, 2 times 2.5 millimeter. And now I'm thinking just maybe soundproofing these, cleaning all this and soundproofing this and just putting the plastic back. And that is something what needs a little bit love in this summer. But yeah, I'm plastic welding that piece back together when I install that back, maybe. I just maybe use a metal saw to take this away, so it's easier to pull away. That one cable what is coming from the passenger side is super weird. It's this cable here, and it goes inside the wheel well, or inside here. And then there is one cable coming from that, and it's this one. I don't know. So as you can see, there is one tube going, there is the battery cables, and then there is the black cable, and then there is the speaker cable, the green one. I don't know what is the black one. It's going on the wheel well or the fender. Then it goes here, and I need to take that away because I need to run one cable more. I can always check what is that black one, and is it going under the bed or is it connected to Hymer control panel. So the faucet is broken. I need to add some manual, some switch or something like this, but maybe bigger one or something, just hanging here or somewhere, so we can just turn the water on, and this faucet is basically working, but the micro switch inside is broken. I don't know what happened to it. It was working fine. It was running by itself, and it was basically like in this position, and then it did die. The pump side is pretty interesting. We did get new hose for the pump. This was connected to this cap here, at here, and then there was this pipe or tube, or the hose piece was connected to this plastic here, and the smaller end was connected to the pump itself. So first I was thinking like we need to install the hose here, and then we need to expand the hose to get it fit here. This is basically, I think this is old pump housing or something. This is just taken away from the pump. You can see that it's shoved away. So then I did check that, okay, hey, wait, there is the tightening nut here, or the tightening part here, and now it's connected straight to the connector here on the cap, and it's basically perfect. It's sitting right at the deepest part in the water tank. It's dirty because I don't know, they did use some cheap hose clamps, and it's pretty awful. There is a lot of rust in the tank and everything. The walls are pretty okay, only the bottom is like slushy or something, slime or something. I don't know where the hell you can get the stuff to clean the tank, but it's something what we need to do. At least we have the drinking water with the separate 10-liter can usually, so this is just for washing hands and showering or something like that, but it would be nice to have this cleaned. Here is the stone chip paint with the both sides are painted with the zinc paint and stone chip paint. Tomorrow, at least tomorrow, I'm installing that back on the car. Also, I did take this panel away, and we did find the left side speaker cables. I'm not 100% sure, do I want to just solder the new cable straight to the speakers and live with that, or what is the plan? I'm just going to check the right side once more, and if I can find the cables, then I'm just using those, and if I cannot find, then I'm just making the new cables. So my dad was yesterday here with me, and I don't know what all he did do. Oh, at least maybe we don't have the... But we have the clear wood glue everywhere. He did glue everything with these. I don't know, it's not that bad here, but he didn't clean that, he didn't do anything, he just did glue everything like that one. And this one is just there is like white putul or white silicone or something under, and he did just glue that. And this was the problem, this was leaking inside, so it's not leaking anymore. This is painted with a stone chip paint, and we have the new hinges here. And I need to install the hinges. I don't know what is that, metal bracket or plastic bracket. Yeah, it's plastic. But yeah, he did go. Yeah, I don't know. The main problem with the wood glue, the polymer glue and sealant, is that it's going yellowish and it's staying like really pretty sticky. It's like more like silicone, but it's not like silicone. It's silicone with the UV proof and everything. So, and as you can see here, this has been hit somewhere, and I did say that maybe we want to just take these away and replace the screws and everything. But he did makes it a little bit glue here. I don't know. I'm not fan of that, and I was saying that we want to put some glue spots under this seal or rubber seal or list here, and we want to just end it here because I'm making the aluminium pieces here and using rivets to just mount it here. But here it's pretty okay. I'm not fan of this or this seal here, but and we have the clear glue here and here, and he did use a clear. He did use a clear glue over the window. I'm not big fan of the clear glue. It's more sticky. Or it's basically staying more sticky more time what the black and the white one is staying. And my plan was to just take the window away one by one. Take the one window away, take the hinges away, clean the under of the hinges and put the hinges back, or put the glue under the hinges, put the hinges back and replace all the screws on window hinges to the rust proof and acid proof screws. But my dad wants to just go with the glue gun and just put the glue at top of the window hinges and leave all the dirt and everything. There is like small gap between the window and the motorhome wall, and it's basically there is dirt and everything. And it was same with the gas bottle cabin or gas bottle mount or whatever you want to call that. That I was using the rust of the spray for the hinges to remove the screws and everything, and we did end up with the angler grinder and drill and everything to get the screws away. And then there was the rust of the CRC, the rust of stuff was under the hinges and everywhere. It was basically covering the bottom of the gas bottle box. And my dad wanted to paint that. Just paint top of the everything. Leave all the... He did just vacuum clean that really fast, and there was sand in the corner and there was rust off in the middle of the hinge spots and everything. And you know that if you paint top of something like that, then the paint is not sticking. So I did go there and I did use a little bit brake cleaner to get the oil away from the fiberglass before my dad did paint that. And I did say when he did start to glue at the window hinge on this side, what I did show you, that no, don't do that. And then he did say that then I'm not doing anything. I cannot do anything. I'm not doing anything. There is so much things what you can do. You can drill the main power switch hole here, and you can rotate the cables. You can take the screws away from the step and everything like a cover. You can take the covers away, so I can just rotate the cables and or connect the cables. But I don't know. He doesn't really ask. He just does, and he did say that this is not for sell. So we are not doing this for the sell. But yeah, but we are doing this for ourselves, so I don't see reason why we want to do everything really fast and just throw glue everywhere and hope that it's not leaking anytime. Because the wood glue, the polymer glue and sealant is pretty damn good stuff when it's cleaned with the brake clean or something, and then you don't have any dust or anything between the surfaces, and then you glue that with that. It's not going to leak, I think, never ever, because it's UV proof. It basically stands for the salt water, most of the chemicals like what is in the car shampoos and everything like that. But doing something really fast is like, but no, we need to go really fast with everything. This is the water pipe, plastic pipe, what I did pull away, but now we need to just use a little bit heat shrink to the top of that because it's cracked. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but so I'm going to install this and then I'm trying to heat that so it's shrinking around this plastic, but I don't know, maybe it works, maybe it's not. And I did forgot to replace the earth side battery terminal connector. Also I need to replace this, and same goes to the positive side. It works, but it's not nice.